Hi guys, my name is Ornella and today I'm going to teach you how to make a Crochet Plumeria flower hair clip. This flower is perfect for summer. As you can see, you can make them in many colors, for example in pink, in white, or any other you want. I'm going to be using white acrylic yarn, a 2.5mm hook, some scissors, a hair clip, and a hot glue gun. For coloring the petals, I will be using a mica powder in yellow and a brush. Firstly, you need to make a slip knot. You have to make a cross shape over your fingers and then take the second loop. I'm going to do it slower again. So, 2 fingers. You hold the yarn and cross it over your fingers in an egg shape, as you can see here. And then you take the second loop with the hook. Note that I'm passing the hook under the first loop. And then you just slip it and close the knot. Now we are going to make 12 chains. The way to do a chain is by yarning over and then pulling through your loop. Do that 12 times. So now we are done with our chains. I did them as tight as possible and now we're going to make 10 single crochets. To make a single crochet, you have to put your hook in a chain, then yarn over. Then you pull it through and you will have 2 loops. Then you yarn over again and you pull through both loops. In the remaining stitch, you're going to put 3 single crochets. We have just finished the base of our petal. You can see it here. It's the middle part, this one. And now we're going to continue by making 4 double crochets. To make them, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again and pull it through. You will have 3 loops as you can see. Then yarn over and pull through 2 loops and you have 2 remaining loops that you will pull through together once again. Now you have to make 5 treble crochets by yarning over twice, inserting your hook, yarning over and pulling through, and then you will have 4 loops on your hook. You pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2 again, and you have the treble crochets. Repeat 4 times. We are done, and now in the last stitch here you can see you have like a V shape. So you're going to make 1 single crochet there and then you're going to repeat making 5 treble crochets, and once you're finished with them, make 4 double crochets. Here I'm crocheting faster, but if you need to see the instructions again, you can go back to the last row. When you're done, you have to make a single crochet, then a slip stitch, and then you're going to fasten off by cutting your yarn and taking off the hook the way I do it here. And by the way, you don't have to cut a long tail because we're going to glue it under. And well, you have to repeat this process 4 times to have 5 petals. Now I'm going to teach you how to paint your petals or give a little touch of color. And well, as I mentioned in the beginning, this is like a mica powder that is a bit shiny. You can get it online, or you can use even eyeshadows, but I'm using this one because it's more colorful. So you just put a little bit on your brush. Be careful not to put a lot because it's going to look so messy, and well, you just add more the way you like it. And now I'm finished with my petals. Here I have the hair clip I'm going to be using, and well, to finish off the flower I will be cutting the tails short, so you have to go one by one, and then you take the hot glue gun and you will just hide the tails the way I'm doing here. This is just a fast process, you can do it the way you like it, and then we're going to assemble the flower the way I showed before. So put a little bit of hot glue in the side and you have to put it over, then put over the petal a little bit more of glue and assemble the other petal. Keep going until you don't have any petal remaining and you have the 5. Let it dry because we're going to now join the sides. If it's not dry at all, it's going to break, and then you have to like stretch it or bend it, I don't know, call it the way you want it, but you have to get it like this. It looks really cute. And now we're going to glue it on the hair clip. We want it to be on the edge so it doesn't fall off and it's easier to put on. And you're done. I hope this was really easy to make. You will see with practice that you will improve. So if you liked it, please subscribe and give a thumbs up so more people can reach out my video, and well, comment down below what other stuff you would like me to make a tutorial. And well, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.